Hi folks, this is Calc 2 Take Home Assignment 1. We have one problem. We have this integral. So let's get to work. Well, we don't have a lot of options for u. Let's let u be the denominator. So if I rewrite that using exponents, the cube root is the same as the 1/3 exponent. And so let's see what the du is. So du is 1/3 x to the minus 2/3. So let's go back to our integral and see if we can try to fix this up. The 2 looks like it's not playing a role. I'll go ahead and bring him out front. For the du, I need a 1/3 x to the minus 2/3 dx. Now the 1/3 I can compensate for on the outside by multiplying by 3. So I can multiply the outside by 3 to counteract the 1/3. The x to the minus 2/3 though, I'm going to have to counteract that by x to the 2/3, but I can't pull that out front because that's a variable. So what I need to do now is I need to back substitute. The denominator is going to be u. This is going to be the du. I need to figure out what's going on with the x to the 2/3. So what I can do is solve this for x to the 1/3. And then I can square both sides. And now I have all the pieces to transform this into the land of u's. So the integral 2 over 5 plus the cube root of x dx is equal to 6 times the integral. X to the 2/3 is u minus 5 quantity squared over 5 plus x to the 1/3 is u. 1/3 x to the minus 2/3 dx is my du. So this is 6 times. Now I can go ahead and start multiplying stuff out. U squared minus 10u plus 25 divided by u du. Since we only have one term in the denominator, I can go ahead and bring that up. I can either bring that up as a negative exponent or I can divide term by term. No matter how you do it, you're going to end up with 6 times u minus 10 plus 25 over u du. So I integrate u squared over 2 times 6, 3u squared. Integrate negative 10, I get negative 10u times 6 minus 6 du. Integrate 25 over u, I get 25 times the natural log of the absolute value of u. I need 25 times 6, which is 150. Natural log absolute value of u plus c. And now as I tell my students in Calc 1, you've solved it for u, now you got to solve it for me, which means you got to put the x's back in. So we get 3u squared minus 60u plus 150 natural log absolute value of u. Our substitution, u, was 5 plus the cube root of x. So the antiderivative now becomes 3 times 5 plus the cube root of x squared minus 60 times 5 plus the cube root of x plus 150 natural log absolute value 5 plus cube root of x plus c. And that's a perfectly acceptable answer.